guys, welcome to Papa Beti channel, and we are going to start with mathematics, chapter number 8, length, mass and capacity.
ओके बच्चों, तो हमारा व्हाट इज द लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव इस चैप्टर में हम लोग क्या क्या सीखेंगे? दैट इज एस्टिमेट एंड मेजर लेंथ यूजिंग रूलर। ओके, रूलर की सहायता से आप कैसे लेंथ को मेजर करेंगे। सेकंड थिंग है, लेंथ को आप सेंटीमीटर में, मीटर में और किलोमीटर में अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे, बिकॉज लेंथ के लिए 3 मेजरमेंट करने का यूनिट्स है, दैट इज सेंटीमीटर, मीटर एंड किलोमीटर। नेक्स्ट वन इज मास। मास को भी 3 तरीके से एक्सप्रेस किया जाता है, मिलीग्राम, ग्राम एंड किलोग्राम। और कैपेसिटी को 2 तरीके से, वो है मिलीलीटर एंड लीटर। मिलीलीटर इज द स्मॉलेस्ट, स्मॉल एंड लीटर उससे बड़ा होता है। नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Guess the weight of these aquatic animals and express the weight in kg and gram. So we have to find out the weight in kg and gram. Now first one. Okay, so first one is 5 5 0 2 4 5 and 6. Now we have to write in kg and gram. So if you have to convert gram into kg, then you have to divide by 1000. अगर ग्राम्स को आपको kgs में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से इसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। सो आपका वेट आ जाएगा, you will get in kg, so 1000. okay आया ना?
Yes.
Now we have got 3 zeros. So simplest way, from the right hand side count 1 2 and 3 digits, so
4.
put a line. So this will be your answer would be, so जो लाइन आता है, लाइन के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये आपका जो है ना, दिस विल बी योर किलोग्राम। ओके, और लाइन का राइट हैंड साइड में आपका बचेगा ग्राम। ओके, सो आपका इसका आंसर क्या हो गया? 5 5 0 2
kg
yes and
4 5 6
Okay.
grams.
gram. Okay, now next one, then we'll do the matching. First we'll convert these. Now next one is 8 5 6 2, ये है आपका ग्राम। okay, so we have to divide it by 1000. Since we have got 3 zeros, so 1 2 3 digit you have to count from the right and put a line over here, and line का जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहेगा दैट इज आपका हो जाएगा kg, और लाइन के राइट हैंड साइड वाला ग्राम। तो आपका बन गया 8 kg and
562 kgs.
grams.
Grams.
First at 8 kg, then grams will count. Next one is 8
1
1
2
2 4
8 and 2.
that is ग्राम। so ग्राम को अगर आपको kgs में कन्वर्ट करना है तो you have to divide by 1000 या 1000, and since there are 3 0, so again you will count from the right hand side 1 2 3 digit and put a line. लाइन का जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रहेगा दैट इज आपका kgs, राइट हैंड साइड में जो रहेगा दैट इज आपका ग्राम है।
So the answer is 812 kgs and 482 grams.
Okay, now the next one is, actually यहाँ पर लिखा नहीं है तो that should be
Grams.
ग्राम। so 2 2631 ग्राम. So kg में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आपको 1000 से
1000.
डिवाइड करना. Then again you have to count 1 2 3 because there are 3 zeros. So this क्या आया इसका आंसर आना?
The answer is
हाँ
2 kgs and 631 grams.
Okay, now we will do the matching. Now we are going to match. Okay, so first one, Anna, tell me which one is going to match with what?
The whale is going to be the first one.
Okay, because we have that 5502, 5502 and 456 grams. 5502 is kgs and 456 grams because this is bigger and this also is very big unit. The next one is this. In this we have 812 kgs and 482 grams. Okay.
The octopus is of the second one.
Yeah, so it is 8 kgs and 562 gram.
And the fish, which is, I don't know what is its name.
Last
The
one.
last one.
It
You know what
shows-
is its name?
No. So this is 2 kg and 631
grams.
Okay. Okay, Anna. Now you read next.
Yes.
Come on.
Measurement of length. We have learned that in
Ancient
ancient
time means old times. पुराने जमाने में.
in ancient times, people used non-standard units like handspan.
Non-standard means जो units standard नहीं थे, right?
Yes. Units like handspan,
Okay.
cuboid,
Hmm.
footspan,
Hmm.
and pace, etc.
Okay.
To measure lengths of various objects.
Okay. So let us understand what is the length. Let us first understand what is the length. Okay. So length is a distance from one end to another. So we can say if suppose there is a point A and there is a point B. So the distance from A to B, it will be called as a length. Okay. So in old times, how people used to measure, like first is hand span. Okay, hand span. So if we stretch, okay, our finger and the thumb, so the length from the finger's tip to the thumb tip
is called an handspan.
handspan. Okay.
This to
Then second one is
cubit.
Okay, so what is this? The distance between the elbow and the tip of the middle finger, from your elbow to the middle finger, that is your cubit. Okay.
Cubit.
Now the third one is your foot span. Okay, what is the foot span? The distance between the end of the heel, this is the end of your heel, and the tip of the big toe, this is again foot span. Okay. Then pace. What is the pace? Okay, the front foot and the back foot, and whatever the distance, it is called as a pace.
Like
Okay.
how we walk the distance like that.
Okay.
Right?
Now, okay, read next, Anna.
Later, it was found that measuring length using non-standard units does not give the
exact
or correct values.
Okay, this is because हर किसी का हाथ का साइज अलग होता है. See, my hands is like this. Anna's hand is
Very
small. Okay, so we will be getting the different sizes or will be getting different length. Okay, and people's arm and feet vary from person to person and not fixed because बच्चों के छोटे रहते हैं, बड़े लोगों के
Like cubit
बच्चों से
only.
बड़े रहते हैं, लेकिन बड़े लोगों के भी
So big.
साइज में डिफरेंस होता है. ओके, so that is why there was a need to fixed or a standard system. So ये जो चारों हैं, hand span, cubit, foot span and pace, they are called as a non-standard. Okay, non-standard units of measurement. Okay, now we have to learn about standard units of measuring length. Now read.
To get an
Exact means perfect, 100% accurate.
exact measurement of length instead of estimation.
Okay, why estimation? Because when you take your hand span, then you will get a approximate length. That is not a exact measurement, means that will not be a perfect or 100% correct measurement when you take your hand span or cubit or foot span or pace. That is why there is a need for the standard unit of measurement. Okay,
we use standard units for measurement in the
metric system. So standard measurement का जो units है, it is under metric system. Okay, now
to measure length standard we use the following standard units.
Okay, so length measure करने के लिए we use the following units, standard unit of length. Why it is called standard? Because it is accepted worldwide. आप दुनिया में कहीं भी जाएं, आप जैसे लेंथ को मेजर करने के लिए अभी आपका पहला है सेंटीमीटर. So it will be accepted everywhere and it gives the exact measurement of a length. Okay, so 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter is about size of the 4 finger.
Okay. One finger, this up one.
So this is your 4 finger and this is the size is roughly it is 1 centimeter.
Means this one, see.
Okay.
Till the tip of this till this.
And centimeter is the smaller unit of length. Okay, so centimeter is the smaller and it is used to measure shorter length. अगर कोई आपको छोटी लेंथ मेजर करना है तो आप सेंटीमीटर का यूज करेंगे, लाइक आपका पेंसिल, बुक, क्रेयॉन एक्सेट्रा. ओके, और सेंटीमीटर को कैसे लिखते हैं? cm. सेंटीमीटर इज रिटन एज a cm. ओके, whenever सेंटीमीटर में आप लिखेंगे तो एंड में आपको cm लिखना है. Then okay, so centimeter is the width of a 1/4 finger. Okay, next one is meter. Okay, so meter is larger unit of length. Okay, so it is bigger than centimeter. Okay, it is bigger than centimeter. Like अगर आपको कोई लॉन्गर लेंथ मेजर करना है तो आपको मीटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको लेंथ ऑफ क्लोथ, हाइट ऑफ अ डोर, ऑफ अ वॉल, लेंथ ऑफ अ क्लासरूम, अगर आपको मेजर करना है तो आपको मीटर यूज करना पड़ेगा. और मीटर के लिए यू हैव टू राइट अ स्मॉल m. ओके, ऑलवेज यू हैव टू राइट इन स्मॉल m. Right? Yes. So the length of meter is approximately the distance between both the hands when we stretch them. So it is approximate 1 meter. Now relation between meter. So the relation between centimeter and meter is 1 meter is equal to 100 सेंटीमीटर. मीन्स 1 मीटर जो है वो 100 सेंटीमीटर के बराबर होता है. अगर सपोज आपको मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा मीटर को. सपोज इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट 2 meters to centimeter, then 2 into 100, it will be 200 centimeter. Suppose if you have to convert 10 meters to centimeter, then you have to multiply by 10 by 100, so it will be 1000 centimeter. And अगर आपको सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, डिवाइडेड बाय 100 आपको करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सपोज अगर आपको कन्वर्ट करना है 200 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में करना है तो व्हाट विल यू डू, 200 सेंटीमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 100, so length will be 2 meter. Okay, now suppose if you have to convert 500 centimeter to meter, then tell me what is to be done, Anna?
500 divided by 100
So
is equals to 5
meters. Okay. Okay, so next one is, read it.
Kilometers.
Kilometer. Okay, so kilometer is much larger
Then meter and
unit of
centimeters.
length. Okay, so first one is हमारा है centimeter, then we have meter, and then the larger one is kilometer, that is km is stands for kilometer, and we measure the distance between the two cities. Okay, like we measure the distance from Pune
Then
to
Goa.
So it is approximately 450 kilometers. Okay, so to measure longer distance means अगर आपको लंबी दूरी को मेजर करना है तो आपको किलोमीटर का यूज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, एंड रिलेशन बिटवीन किलोमीटर्स एंड मीटर्स मीन्स रिलेशन का क्या मतलब होता है कि 1 किलोमीटर में होते हैं 1000 मीटर. ओके बच्चों, सो नाउ एक बार हम लोग रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. स्मॉलर यूनिट हमारा क्या है, सेंटीमीटर. उसके बाद है हमारा मीटर. ओके, एंड रिलेशन बिटवीन सेंटीमीटर एंड मीटर क्या होता है, 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. इसका मतलब कि अगर आपको मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई उसको करना पड़ेगा, अगर मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो. और अगर आपको सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 100 से उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. एंड नंबर तीसरा हमारा कौन सा है, नंबर तीसरा है किलोमीटर. किलोमीटर और मीटर में क्या रिलेशन है, 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. मीन्स 1 किलोमीटर में 1000 मीटर होते हैं। तो अगर आपको किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000। ओके, सपोज आपका है 2 किलोमीटर, तो 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000, तो अभी कितना आंसर है आपका?
2000
meter. Suppose you have to convert 5 kilometer to meter, so you will have to do 5 multiplied by
1000
okay
is equals to
1000 meters. Okay, now अगर आपको मीटर्स को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो you have to divide by 1000, मीन्स अगर आपका 2000 meters दिया हुआ है and you have to convert in kilometer, so you have to do divide by 1000, like 2000 divided by 1000, the answer is 2 kilometer. Suppose if you have to convert, अगर आपको 5000 मीटर को 5000 मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा 1000 से, लाइक 5000 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, आंसर विल बी 5 kilometer. Okay, so this is our answer. Now for, read it, Anna.
For measuring length, we use tools like
Ruler, yes, scale,
oblique scale, and a measuring tape.
Okay, so ruler तो सबके पास होता, तो this is the distance is 1 centimeter. Okay, it is on every scale. Ruler में आप चेक करेंगे तो आपको मिलेगा this distance is 1 centimeter. Okay, and the length between the centimeter marking on a ruler are equal. So equal, you will see this 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, then 3 to 4, 4 to 5, then ये सारी लेंथ इक्वल होती हैं रूलर के ऊपर भी और आपका मेजरिंग टेप के ऊपर भी. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू दी एक्सरसाइजेज. एक्सरसाइज 8A. राइट द गिवन यूनिट्स ऑफ मेजरमेंट लेंथ इन द इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. सो आपको इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में लिखना है. ओके, सो सेंटीमीटर, किलोमीटर एंड मीटर यू हैव टू राइट इन इंक्रीजिंग या असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपको लिखना है. तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? टेल मी.
Centimeter.
Because centimeter is the smaller. Okay, then
meter is second.
Meter is second क्योंकि सेंटीमीटर से बड़ा मीटर होता है.
And third is kilometers.
Okay, so this is a much larger than centimeter and meter. तो सबसे छोटा क्या होता है? सेंटीमीटर, उससे बड़ा मीटर और उससे भी बड़ा किलोमीटर. So this is our right answer. Centimeter, meter and kilometer. Second one. Which of the following objects are longer than 1 meter? मतलब आपको वो वाले ऑब्जेक्ट्स चूज करने हैं जो कि 1 मीटर से ज्यादा है. नाउ टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, हाइट ऑफ अ रेफ्रिजरेटर, is it longer than 1 meter?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to do the tick. Length of a safety pin, is it longer than 1 meter?
No.
So you have to put a cross. Length of an ant.
Never. It's only 1 centimeter.
Okay.
2.
Length of a calculator, it is again not longer than 1 meter. Then length of a bed, okay, it is longer than 1 meter. Next one, write the correct unit of measurement, centimeter, meter or kilometer for each of the following. Length of a pen,
Centimeter.
Okay, so we will write cm.
M.
Okay, next B. Length of a swimming pool. स्विमिंग पूल का
Meter.
लेंथ में क्या होता है? लेंथ
Meter.
मीटर, बिकॉज स्विमिंग पूल बड़ा होता है बट इतना बड़ा नहीं होता कि उसको किलोमीटर में मेजर करें, इसलिए उसका मेजरमेंट जो होता है वो होता है मीटर में. डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम वन टाउन टू अनदर.
Kilometers.
Okay, so it will be always in kilometer. Height of a book shelf. It will be meter. Okay, because book shelf को हम मीटर में मेजर कर सकते हैं. Okay, we can measure the length using ruler also. So अगर रूलर से आपको लेंथ मेजर करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? जिस ऑब्जेक्ट का आपको लेंथ मेजर करना है, you have to keep it on 0. Okay.
0 the centimeter.
Okay. So you have to start with 0.
Here, see.
And we will. Okay. Now suppose this is our ruler.
Yes.
Okay. And this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So suppose if your objects is starting from 0 and it is going up to 4, so the length of that object will be
Particular object is
4
centimeter.
centimeter.
Not all the objects, whichever object. We were like 9 centimeters.
Okay.
So.
Suppose if your scale is broken or numbers are not visible. Suppose your scale is broken and numbers are starting from 2, then next 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If you put the same object at 2, so it will go 3, 4, 5 and 6 because it is starting from 6 and ending at 6. So the length of the object will be 6 minus 2. 6 means your ending point and 2 is your starting point. So your length of your same object will be 4 centimeter. And in this case, your ending point is 4, starting point is 0. So your length will be 4 centimeter.
And you know why do we always have to minus with 2 or any number? Because from the 0, whichever number are missing, suppose now it's starting from 2, so there are 2 centimeters left. That is why. Means how many from 0 to how many numbers are missing? We'll like minus that much, right?
Okay. So now next one, read.
Conversion of length units.
Now how can we convert the length unit? As we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So if you have to convert like 2 meter to centimeter, you will have to multiply it by 100. It will be 200 centimeter. Suppose if you want to convert 3 meter and 45 centimeter. So how will you convert? First 3 meter, this will be multiplied by 100. So it will be
3 centimeter.
300 centimeter, and then again we have 45 centimeters. So 45 answer will be 345 centimeters. Another example, suppose if you have to convert 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So what will you do? First you convert 2 meter. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeter, and already we have 50 centimeters, so we'll write 50 centimeter. So answer will be 250 centimeters. Now next is centimeters to meters. Okay, so 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. Okay, if you have to convert centimeter to meter, you have to divide by 100. Okay, so जितना भी सेंटीमीटर रहेगा उसको आपको 100 से डिवाइड करना है, तो you will get a meter. Suppose 400 centimeter to meter. So what will have to do? 400 divided by 100, you will get how many meters, Ahana?
4 meters.
Okay, if we then again next one is 253 centimeter to meter. What will you do? 253 by 100. So as we said ki there are 2 zeros, so you will count 2 numbers from the right hand side, 1 and 2, and you will put the line over here, and line का जो left hand side में number रहेगा that will be your 2 meter, and right hand side में जो number रहेगा that will be your centimeter, 53 centimeter. Or if you use okay long division method, so 253 divided by 100, so 100 to the say Anna
100 to the 200
and remainder will be 53. So आपका जो क्वेश्चन रहेगा that is meter, so 2 meter and remainder will be centimeter. Suppose if you want to convert 450 centimeter to meter by long division method, so 450 divided by 100, so 100 4 ja 400, okay,
Yes.
and remainder is 50. So this is 4 meter and remainder is 50, so 4 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, then next we'll go now exercise. Use a ruler to measure the following. That you can do it at your own. Next, convert the following to centimeter. So if you have to convert to centimeter, what you have to do, अगर मीटर रहेगा तो आपको क्या करना है? Multiplied by 100. Okay, now 3 meters. So first one is 3 meters, so you have to multiply it by 100, so 300 centimeters. So first answer is 300 centimeter. Then 9 meters. So what you have to do? 9 multiplied by 100. What is the answer?
9 centimeters.
900 centimeter. Then 3 meter and 42 centimeter. So first we have to convert 3 meters. So 3 into 100. How much, Anna?
300 into 100 is equals to 300
centimeter. And then we have 42 centimeters. So we'll add 42. So total will be
342
centimeters. So our next will be 342.
2 centimeters.
Okay. Next is 4 meter 59 centimeter. So 4 meter 59 centimeter. So first we'll convert meter. So 4 into 100, that equals to 400 centimeter, and then we have 59 centimeter. So answer will be
459 centimeters.
okay. So our last answer in this exercise will be 459. Now next, convert the following. Okay, we have to convert the following. 300 centimeters to meter. If you have to convert these centimeters to meter, what will you do? Divide by 100. Okay, so you have to divide by 100, right?
Yes.
So we'll rub this and we'll do exercise over here. First we'll rub it. Okay. Now first is 300 centimeter. So what you have to do, you have to write 300. Since you have to convert it to meter, what will you have to do? आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Divide by 100. So answer is 3. So 300 centimeters is equal to 3 meter. Then 469 centimeter. 469 divided by 100. Since there are two zeros, so you will count 1 and 2 numbers and you put a line. So then on left hand side it will be 4 meter, and on the right hand side 69 centimeter. So what is the answer, Anna?
So our answer is 4 meters and 69 centimeters.
Okay. The C1 is 4 kilometer, 320 meters.
Yes.
So if you have to convert kilometers to meters, what you have to do, Anna? Now tell me.
To convert kilometers to meters, we have to multiply by
1000. Very good. So 4 kilometers. So first we'll convert 4 kilometers to meter. That is 4 into 1000 is equal to 4,000 meters. Then 320 meters we have 320 meters. So total is 4320 meters. So our answer is 4320 meter. Then 1596 meters, and we have to convert it to kilometers. Okay, so since it is in kilometers and it is in meters and we have to convert to kilometers, we have to divide by 1000. Correct, Ahana?
Yes.
Okay, so now we have to do this 1596 divided by 1000 because we are converting meters to kilometers. So since there are 3 zeros, so 1, 2, 3, put a line. So answer will be 1 kilometer and 596 meters. So our answer will be 1 kilometer and 596 meters. Okay. Okay, so next is measurement of mass. Mass means we have to find out कि कोई ऑब्जेक्ट कितना हैवी या लाइट वेट है. ओके, सो उसके लिए मास मेजर करने के लिए वी हैव 3 यूनिट्स. ओके, सो नंबर 1 इज मिलीग्राम. ओके, मिलीग्राम यूज होता है फॉर वेट वे ऑफ स्मॉल और लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट. बहुत ही छोटी चीजें जो रहती है उनको वे करने के लिए मिलीग्राम यूज होता है, जैसे स्मॉल ज्वेलरी आइटम्स, ओके, मेडिसिन्स, सम फूड आइटम. एंड मिलीग्राम को वी राइट इन शॉर्ट mg. Okay, now next one is milligram is this, then next one is the gram. ग्राम का साइन है, ग्राम का साइन इज जस्ट जी,
जैसे हमने पहले लर्न किया था.
ओके. मिलीग्राम ग्राम यूज होता है लाइट ऑब्जेक्ट वे करने के लिए, जैसा करेंसी कॉइन्स, टीस्पून ऑफ शुगर, पैकेट ऑफ पाउडर्ड स्पाइसेस एक्सेट्रा. एंड व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन gram and milligram? Means 1 gram is equal to 1000 मिलीग्राम. मतलब 1 ग्राम जो होता है वो 1000 मिलीग्राम के बराबर होता है. और मिलीग्राम से ज्यादा बड़ा यूनिट होता है ग्राम. ओके, एंड मिलीग्राम ग्राम से छोटा यूनिट होता है. Then next one is kilogram. Okay, so kilogram का सिंबल है kg. kg इसका सिंबल है. एंड ये जो यूज होता है इट इज अ लार्जर यूनिट ऑफ मास. सो जो भी हैवियर ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं उनको वे करने के लिए हम किलोग्राम का यूज करते हैं, जैसे लगेज बैग, वेजिटेबल्स एक्सेट्रा.
और वाटरमेलन.
So measurement of mass के लिए we have 3 units. Number 1 mg, ये smaller है, it's a very small unit. Then we have gram, ये मिलीग्राम से ज्यादा है. और last one is the
kg
kilogram या kg. तो kg इन तीनों में सबसे ज्यादा
बड़ा है,
लार्ज यूनिट या बड़ा यूनिट है. और हम चीजों को वे कैसे करते हैं? वी सिंपल यूज अ वेइंग स्केल. नॉर्मली इट इज लाइक दिस. देयर इज वन pen, then another one, and if you put here 1 kg and also here you put 2 kg, so heavier object, the pen will go down and the pen with the lighter object will go up. Okay,
like we can just simply draw it.
Yeah, this is okay. And in case of if we put same weight objects in a scale 1 kg and here also
1 kg.
1 kg, then then pen balance हो जाता है. Now
the same.
Yeah, both are remain the same. No pen goes up, no pen goes down. It is on a equal height.
Oh, height.
Okay. Now conversion of mass unit. अभी अगर आपको किलोग्राम मीन्स केजी को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? केजी को केजी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000 से आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सपोज इफ यू वांट टू कन्वर्ट 3 kg 245 grams, what you need to do, you need to do is 3 kg, so multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1000 equals to 3000 grams. Okay, and then we have already 245 grams. So our answer is 3245 grams. So 3 kg 245 is 3245 grams. Suppose for example if we have to convert 4 kg and 100 gram to grams, so 4 multiplied by 1000, it is 4000 grams, and then we have 100 grams, so it will be 4100 gram. Suppose if we have to convert 6 kg and 250 ग्राम 2 grams. Then क्या करेंगे? Tell me Anna. 6. हाँ.
We'll divide 6 by thousands.
Divide and multiply.
Multiply it by thousands.
So it will be
6,000
grams, and then we have
25.
250 grams. So
So the total amount is 6,025 grams.
6,250 grams.
Sorry.
Okay. Then now we can convert from grams to kilograms. If we have to convert grams to kilograms, then you have to divide grams by 1000. Okay, so we will be getting kilograms. Suppose if I want to convert 1295 grams to kg, then 1295 divided by 1000. Since we have this 1000, 1230, so 1230, and numbers on the left would be kg, so 1 kg, and numbers on the right hand side of the line के जो भी right hand side में रहेगा वो होगा ग्राम. So 295 grams. Suppose if we want to convert 3249 gram to kg, then we need to do 3249. Tell me what?
325 multiplied by 1000.
Divided by 1000.
Divided
by 1000. So since we have 301230, so it is 3 kg and 249 gram.
Yes.
Okay. Now another example would be if we want to convert 7250 grams to kg, then what do we need to do? 7250 divided by
we will
1000.
So then, first we'll divide 7 by thousands.
Yeah. So
We'll draw a line between 250 and 7.
Since because 1230, so 1230, yeah, you can use long division. Like long division is 7250 divided by 1000. So 1000 7 ja 7000, and remainder is 250. So quotient is 7. So 7
kgs
and remainder
250 grams.
250 grams. Okay. Now we'll go to question and answer exercise 8C. Write the appropriate unit of measurement, that is milligram, gram, kg for the given objects. Now this is what? It's a
bread bag.
So it will be always in gram. Okay, so we have to put G.
It can be 2 grams.
Then next is vegetables. Okay, so vegetable will be in kgs. Then we have a next purse. The purse will be in gram. Then we have this medicines. Medicines will always be in
milligrams.
milligram. And then we have a TV. TV
No, it's a
will
laptop.
always, yeah, laptop. Okay, it's a laptop. Then we have on kgs. Okay.
Yeah,
Next,
and you can put in yours, like, is it?
next exercise is how much does each object weigh? Right in the space provided. Now this is, there is a, measurement, this is called weight. So here it is 100 gram. So it is 100 gram. Next is 1 kg. This weight is of 1 kg. So we will write 1 kg. And then this is 100 gram and 100 gram. These two are of 100 gram each. So 100 plus 100, it is 200 grams. Okay. Next exercise is convert the following to gram. Okay. So first is 5 kg. 5 kg. So अगर kg को आपको ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है तो 5 multiplied by 1000. So it is 5000 gram. Then next is 8 kg. So 8 multiplied by, tell me.
1,000 is equals to 8,000 grams.
Okay. Next is 1 kg. 1 kg 375 gram. So first we'll convert 1 kg into grams. So 1 into 1000 equals to 1000 grams. And then we have 375. So 375 grams. So it is 1375 grams. Okay, yeah, 1375 grams. Then next is 7 kg 130 grams. So 7 kg 130 gram. So first we'll convert this kg to gram. Correct. So 7 into 1000 equals to 7,000 grams. And then we have 130 grams. So 130 grams. So total is
7,130 grams.
So this is the answer of this question. Now next is convert the following to kg and gram. Okay, this is wrong actually. It can be converted only grams because already it is given in grams. So first one is 5000 grams. As we know, if we have to convert grams to kg, what we need to do? Tell me, Anna.
If we have to do grams to kg, we have to divide by 1000.
Correct. So first is 5000 grams. What we'll do? Will this divide 5000 by 1000? Okay. So 1000 is 5 times 5000. So 5 kg. Okay. Then next one is 7342 grams. So it will be 7342 divided by 1000. So short method is 1230. So 1230, put up a line, and this will be 7 kg 342 grams. And long method we know बच्चे लोग, long method we can do like quotient will be your kg and the remainder will be
your grams.
Yeah, so like you can you can do like 7342 grams. So you need to do like 7342 divided by 1000. So 1000 7 ja 7000 and remainder is 342. So answer is
7 kgs and
342 grams. Okay, then next one is 3581. So we can do this, we'll rub this, and now next is 3581. So next is 3581, 3581 grams. So 3581 divided by 1000. The answer is, because we have 1230, so 1230. So 3 kg
and 581 grams.
Then last one is 2467 grams. So 2467 grams. So 2467 divided by 1000. We have 1230. So 1230 double line. So 2 kgs 467 grams. Okay. Okay, so now we have standard measurement of capacity. Okay, so now we'll understand what is the capacity. Now capacity, okay, in case of liquid, it is, suppose it is the bottle, okay, and capacity is the total amount of a liquid a container can hold. Suppose capacity of this bottle is 1 liters. This means 1 liter liquid can come in this bottle. So the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. Now what is the volume? Volume is the amount of liquid present in a container. So suppose if this bottle is 1 liter but it is only half fill, so in this water is 500 ml. So volume of this liquid is 500 ml and the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. Means ये बॉटल में 1 लीटर तक पानी आ सकता है, लेकिन सिंस आधी भरी है तो 500 ml या half liter, 1/4 liter is the volume. Okay, now to standard unit of capacity is, first is milliliter. So this is the smaller unit of capacity. Okay, और ये जो ml यूज होता है वो स्मॉलर अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड को मेजर करने के लिए यूज होता है, जैसे कि ड्रॉपर, फीडिंग बॉटल, ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, bottle of liquid medicine. So it is in ml. Then next one is liter. Okay, it is small l. So liter is a larger unit of measurement and ये यूज होता है लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ लिक्विड को मेजर करने के लिए. जैसे एक बकेट ऑफ water, water tank, cold drink water, etc. And it is written as L. And what is the relation between ml and L? That means ml is milliliter, L is liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. ओके. एंड सिमिलरली आप इसको कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं, जो आपका यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट ऑफ मास का था, उसमें क्या था 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. ओके. सो ये दोनों का सेम ही है, मीन्स 1 liter ऑफ is equal to is 1000 ml and 1 kg also is equal to 1000 grams. Okay. Now अभी हम समझते हैं कि लीटर को मिलीलीटर में और मिलीलीटर को लीटर में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना है. हमको पता है कि 1 लीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. सो अगर आपको लीटर को मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई लीटर बाय 1000. ओके. सो इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट 5 liter 306 milliliter to milliliter. So what we'll do, first 5 liter multiplied by 1000. So it will be how much? How much it will be, Anna?
5,000 milliliters.
Okay, so we have 5,000 milliliter and then we have 306. Okay, so we'll write it 306 because it is already in milliliter. So total is 5,306 milliliter. Now if we have to convert 5 liter 26 milliliter to milliliter, so what we'll do, 5 into 1000 is equal to 5000 milliliter, and this 26 ml. So 26 ml will come over here. So answer will be 5026 milliliter.
5026 milliliter.
Correct. Now we'll do more examples. Suppose if we have to convert 4 liter and 250 milliliter. So what we'll do, 4 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 4000 milliliter, and we have this 250 milliliter. So answer will be 4250 milliliters. Now we'll do more examples. Suppose if we have to convert 1 liter and 150 milliliter, then what we'll do, 1 into 1000 is equals to 1000 milliliter, and then we already have 150 milliliter, so total is 1150 milliliters. Okay, now we'll learn about converting milliliters. Now we need to convert milliliters to liters. तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, if you want to convert milliliters to liters, आपको milliliters divided by 1000 आप कर देंगे तो आपको मिल जाएगा liters. Okay. Now suppose if you want to convert 679 to milliliters, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, that should be divided by, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा,
1672 we have to divide it by 1000 milliliters.
Since we have 1 2 3 0, so 1 2 3 and line, so 6 liters 792 milliliter. Yeah, if we go by long division method, then 6792 divided by 1000. So 1006 ja 6000. Balance is 792. So quotient is 6. Okay, quotient is 6. So answer would be 6 liter. Remainder is 792 ml. Okay, so this is how we can convert. Now we'll do exercise. We'll go to exercises. Now where is the exercise? Yes, here is the exercise 8D. Tick the measurement you think is correct. This bottle is 500 liters or 500 ml? 500 ml is the correct answer. Okay, so we'll circle.
Yeah,
now this bottle is
you can also take
1 liter or 1 milliliter?
1 liter.
Okay, so this is 1 liter. Then this, okay, this is a
Ink.
medicine.
Ink.
Yeah, हाँ ink या medicine जो भी है is 30 liter या 30 ml? 30 ml because छोटा है ना. This syringe is 5 ml or 5 liter?
5
ml because ये छोटा है ना बहुत.
Yeah, very small.
लीटर बड़े के लिए होता है और मिलीलीटर छोटा के लिए होता है. Then now this drum, it is of 100 ml or 100 liters?
100 liters.
Okay, so it is 100 liters. Now we'll do exercise 8T. Do convert the following to ml. Okay, so it is given in liters and ml and we have to convert it to ml. Now first is 2 liters. Okay, so our first question is 2 का A is 2 लीटर. सो क्या करना पड़ेगा अपने को? लीटर को अगर मिलीलीटर या ml में कन्वर्ट करना है तो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1000. सो आंसर इज 2000 milliliter. Now next is 5 liter. So B is 5 liter. So 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000 ml. Now C is 3 liter 20 milliliter. So first we'll convert 3 liters to milliliters. So we'll have to multiply it by 3 into, tell me,
3 into 1000 milliliters.
So we'll get 3000 liters. And then we have 20 milliliters. So we'll have to write 20 milliliters. So answer will be 3000 and 20 milliliter. Now the last one is 4 liter and 780 ml. Okay, so we'll rub this. We'll rub all this thing. Yes, we are going to rub everything and then we will write our next answer. Okay, so last D is 4 liter 780. D is 4 liter 780 milliliter. So what we'll have to do, first convert 4 liter by multiplying 1002. We'll get the answer 4000 ml and then 780 ml we'll write. So answer is 4780 ml.
4780 milliliters.
Okay, now we have to convert. Now agar question number 3, convert the following to liters and milliliters. First is 3000 milliliters. तो हमारा third A is 3000 milliliters. तो इसको लीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हमको क्या करना है? Divided by 1000. So what is the answer? 3 liters. Okay. Then second is 7000 ml. Okay. So this is 3B is 7000 ml. So what will you do? You will multiply it. You will divide by 1000. So 1000 7 ja is equal to 7000. So 7 liters. Now third C is 5 to 7 8, right?
Yes.
So we have to convert this to liters. So divided by 1000, since 1230, so 1230. So line, and on the line ka left hand side it will be 5 liters, and on the right hand side 278 ml. And last one is, this one is done, and last one is 9346 ml. So we'll be doing it here. 3D 9346 ml. So 9346 divided by 1000. So we have 301230. So 1230. We'll put up a line over here, and it will be 9 liters 346 ml. Milliliters. Okay, so now we are going to do the word problems. Now we'll take example 1 first. This is the example 1. The distance between the school and Osaka's home is 2 kilometers and 350 meters. What is the distance in meters? So first we'll have to convert 2 kilometers to meters. So what we'll do, we'll multiply it by 1000. So कितना आ गया? This is 2000 meters, and then 350. So 350 meters. So answer is 2350 meters. Okay. Now second one, example 2 is Chanchal's fish tank can hold 9945 milliliters of water. How much would that be in liters and milliliters? So what will have to do? अगर आपको milliliters को liter में convert करना है, तो you will have to divide it by 1000. Okay, divided by 1000. So we have 30123 1230. Draw a line, and this will be 9 liters and 945 milliliters. Okay, now we are going to do the exercise 8E. Okay, answer the following word problems. Number A, Pooja bought 7 meters of clothes from the market. Find the length of the cloth in centimeters. So how we are going to do? We know that 1 meter is equal to, tell me.
1 meter is equals to
Tell me.
1000 centimeters.
No, 1 meter is equal to 100
centimeters.
100 centimeters. So how much Pooja has brought? 7 meter. Okay.
7 meters.
So what will have to do? 7 multiplied by 100. So it will be 700 centimeters. This is our first answer. Now second one is Anil's height is 249 centimeter. What is his height in meters and centimeters. So what is his height? His height is 249 centimeters. So if we have to convert centimeters to meters, what we have to do is we have to divide it by 100. Okay. So since we have 20, so this is, so it will be 2 meters,
so 2
meters and 49 centimeter is the answer. Now C. Now C is Rihan's younger sister weighs about 7,485 ग्राम. ओके, कितना वेट है उसका? 7,485 ग्राम. हाउ मच विल सी वे इन kilograms and grams? So when we know, now this is the third one, we know when we have to convert grams, okay, what we need to do?
Divide by 100.
Divide by 1000.
1000.
7485 divided by 1000. So since we have 730, so 1230, so it will be, tell me.
It will be
7 kg and 485 grams. Okay. Now the last one is the capacity of a juice container is 2 liter 370 milliliter. Calculate the capacity. Okay, capacity in milliliter. Okay.
Yes.
So milliliter. So if we have to convert liters to milliliters, what we need to do? We need to multiply it by 1000. Okay, so 2 liter. First we convert 2 liters. So 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 milliliters. And then we have 370 milliliters. 370 milliliters. So it is 2370 milliliters. So now we are going to understand the total chapter revision, what is in chapter. Okay, so we have learned about measurement of 3 types. One is length, second is mass, and third one is the capacity. Okay, so लेंथ का जो मेजरमेंट होता है उसका स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है मीटर. टेल मी.
मीटर,
हाँ,
सेंटीमीटर एंड
kilometers, right?
Yes.
And 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So if you have to convert meter to centimeter, you have to convert by 100. And if you have to convert centimeters to meters, then आपको 100 से divide करना पड़ेगा. Okay? Yes. And 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So अगर आपको किलोमीटर को मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको मीटर को किलोमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ओके बच्चों. देन सेकंड वन इज द मास, एंड स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट है उसका मिलीग्राम, ग्राम एंड केजी.
केजी मींस किलोग्राम.
या सो 1 gram equals to 1000 milligram and 1 kg equals to 1000 grams. तो अगर आपको ग्राम्स को किलोग्राम्स को अगर ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको ग्राम्स को किलोग्राम्स में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको ग्राम्स को 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ओके. कैपेसिटी का स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट्स क्या है? ml और l, मिलीलीटर और लीटर. और रिलेशन क्या है? 1 लीटर इक्वल्स टू 1000 मिलीलीटर. सो अगर आपको लीटर को मिलीलीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, और अगर आपको मिलीलीटर को लीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है तो आपको 1000 से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ वी विल लर्न की कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बच्चों, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. व्हाट इज सेंटीमीटर? टेल मी.
Centimeter.
Okay.
A smaller unit of length written as cm.
Okay, so this is a smaller unit of length and it is written as a cm. Then what is meter?
A larger unit of length written as m.
Meter. Okay, so it is a larger unit of length and it is written as a m. Now what is kilometer?
A much larger unit of length written as km.
Kilometer. Okay. Then what is milligram?
A very small unit of mass written as mg.
Okay, this is a very small unit of mass and written as a mg. What is gram?
Gram. A small unit of mass written as g.
Okay. Then what is kilogram?
A larger unit of mass written as kg.
Okay. What is milliliter?
A smaller unit of capacity written as ml.
And last one, what is liter?
A larger unit of capacity written as L.
Okay, so now we'll solve the questions. Number A, circle the unit of measurement you would use to measure the following. Length of a pencil box, centimeter, meter, kilometers.
Meter.
Centimeter, because this is a small one, so it is always in centimeter.
Centimeter.
Now height of a wall, centimeter, meter, kilometer. It will be in meters. Mass of a baby, gram, milligram, kg.
kg.
Baby का वजन जो होता है it is in kgs. Okay. Now next one. Filling the blanks using the correct word. Darisha has 2 pieces of fabric. The total filling the blanks of the 2 pieces of fabric is 5 meter 92 centimeter. What is the correct word? The total length, because it's a fabric.
Fabric, yeah.
So LENGTH, total length. Ajmal is weighing his luggage. The total filling the blanks of his luggage is 55 kilograms. The total mass, because it is weight, so mass आएगा. Nathan wants to know how much water his tank can hold. तो क्या आया? Water. Okay. He measure its capacity to be 9. टैंक का कैपेसिटी कैसे होगा? 9 and 500, so 9 liters. Okay, 9 liters and 500 milliliters. Okay. Kathy has to travel several filling the blanks by train to visit her grandparents. Tell me kilometers, because distance from one city to another city is always measured by kilometer. Now C. Match the values in column A to those in column B. This is column A and this is column B. Now 5 meter. So 5 meter, what is the correct answer?
5 meter is equals to 500
centimeters. Perfect. This is 500 centimeters, the right answer. Now 1200 centimeter is equals to 12 meters, because you need to divide centimeter by 100 to get a meter. So if you divide 1200 by 100, you will get 12 meters. Now third one is 2 kg 35 gram. So you will get 2035 grams. How you will get? First you will convert 2 kg into grams. So 2 into 1000 is equal to 2000 grams, and then we have 35 grams, so total is 2035 grams. Okay, 6000 ml divided by 1000.
6 liters.
6000 divided by 1000, you will get 6 liter, and this is ml. Last one is 7 liter 298 ml. So it will be
T. 7 to.
It will be 7298 ml. And how it will be done? 7 liter first will be converted to milliliter by multiplying 1000. So it will be 7000 milliliters, and we have 298 ml. So it will be 7298 ml. Now the D1. Okay, where is the D1? Yeah, here is the D1. Convert the following to meters and centimeters. Okay, now 200 centimeter is equal to how many meters? You have to divide by 100. So you will get 2 meters. Okay, and 0 centimeter. 0 centimeter, 0 centimeter.
Yeah.
Now second one is 755 centimeter. So you have to divide it by, like you have to do 759 divided by 100. So 100 7 ja 759. So
7 meters.
7 meters and
59 centimeters.
Okay. Now convert the following to grams. 5 kg 68 gram. तो अगर 5 kg and 68 grams, so what we'll do first? First we will be converting 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000 grams, and then we have 68 grams, right?
Yes.
So we are going to write 68. So 5068 grams. So right answer is 5068 gram. Now 2 kg 375 grams. So what we'll do first? 2 multiplied by 1000. So we'll be getting 2000 grams, and 375 grams is equal to 2375 grams. So 2375 grams. Now convert the following to liters and milliliters. Now first we are going to rub this, so that will
get some
space to write. Okay. Now this is we'll rub this, right?
Yes.
Now the next one is convert the following to liters and milliliters. 1745 milliliters. So how we are going to do? The first one is 1745 milliliter. So if we have to convert it to liter, what we'll have to do? Divided by 1000. Correct? So 1230. So 1230. So it will be 1 liters 745 milliliters. So our answer is 1 liter 745 ml. And second one is 6087 ml. कैसे करेंगे आना बताओ? 6087 ml divided by
1000.
1000. So we'll be getting like 1230 1230, so it will be 6 liters and 87 milliliter, because there is a 0, so it will be 87 ml only. So 6 liter 87 ml. The last one, solve the following. Okay, last one, solve the following. Nidhi gave 2 meters of clothes to the tailor to stitch a shirt. How many centimeters is that? So 2 meters. So to convert meter to centimeter, what you have to do? Multiplied by 100. So 2 into 100 is equal to 200 centimeters. The right answer. Then next, Mohan walked 3 kilometers 200 meters in the morning. Find the distance in meters. So what you have to do first, you will convert kilometers to meters by multiplying 1000. So 3 kilometers into 1000, this is equals to 3000 meters, and then we have 200 meters more, so total is 3200 meter. This is second. Now third, Sudha bought 5 kgs of apple. How many grams is that?
5 kg.
Kg to gram, we have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 5000 grams. Okay, so this is our answer is 5000 grams. Now the second last is the capacity of a fish ball is 1500 ml. What is the capacity in liters? So क्या करते हैं हम लोग? 1500 ml अगर कन्वर्ट करना है लीटर में तो डिवाइडेड बाय 1000. Since it has got 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 and this is, so what is the answer? 1 liter 500 milliliters. And number 5, Sunny drank 2 liters of milk in 4 days. How many milliliter is that? So 2 liters multiplied by 1000, correct?
Yes.
So it will be 2000 milliliters. Okay. Next one is Rashid's father's height is 172 centimeter and his mother's height is 1 meter 57 centimeter. Who is taller and by how much? So first we have to equal both the heights. So father's height is 172 centimeter and mother's height is 1 meter 57 centimeter. So 1 meter 57 centimeter would be equal to 1 meter multiplied by 100 is equal to 100, okay, centimeter, and we have 57 centimeter. So how much is her mother's height? Is 157 centimeter. And what is the father's height? Is 172 centimeter. So who is taller? Taller is father. Okay. And by how much? So what we have to do? 172 minus 157, because we have to find the difference. Okay. So now do the answer. This 12, it is 5 and it is 1. So he is taller by 15 centimeter. Okay, this is done. Now second, a family bought 3 kg 250 gram of fruits, while Rashid's mother bought 3 kg 750 gram of vegetables. Who bought more? Write the mass in gram. Okay, so 3 kg 250 grams and here 3 kg 750 50 grams. So which is more? 3 kg, 750 kg is the more. So Rashid, mother, okay? Mother brought more, and write the mass in gram. So if you have to convert 3 kg and 750 grams. Okay, so how you are going to convert this to gram? You have to first convert 3 kg. So 3 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 3000 grams, and then we have 750 grams. So it is 3750 grams. So here we will write 3750 grams. Okay, now the last one. Rashid took 1 liter carton of orange juice from the beverages section. His father took 2 tetra pack of 500 ml of guava juice. Who do you think has more quantity of juice and why? Now,
his father.
No, let us see na. First, Rashid took 1 liter cartoon. Okay, so 1 liter. Okay. 1 liter is equal to how many milliliter? 1 into 1000 is equal to 1000 milliliter. And उसके फादर ने कितना लिया है? 2 into 500 ml का लिया है, correct? So 5 2s are 10. And then we have 2 0. So कितना हो गया? 1000 ml. His father is also having 1000 and he is also having
1000.
both are equal. Okay, equal. देखो, Rashid took 1 liter carton of orange juice from the beverages. His father took 2 tetra packs of 500 ml guava juice. Who do you think has more quantity of juice? Okay, because quantity तो दोनों का same ही है, right? Because both are equal.
So, thanks for watching our channel, that is Papa Beti channel. Please like, share this video and subscribe to our channel, that is Papa Beti channel.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.